UPS has backed out of their deal for TNT Express. Jim, this is going to cost the company $200 million, and certainly not at a time that they can afford it. So where do they go from here? Because when I'm looking at the stock has actually started to look good and move back up, but this has got to hurt them.
Well, I have to tell you, they were overpaying so dramatically that maybe people say, well, look, Europe's not that good. They managed to get out of this now. But the drain on this company has been incredible. In the meantime, FedEx has really expanded. Now, I will say this. I think UPS is a great American company and that it will continue to do well. And they were going to pay too much for Europe. Maybe they can come back in a way. But the European authorities are back to their old ways of trying to keep our companies out. And that's a new development and a negative development. So I like UPS. ActionAlertsPlus.com owns FedEx. I am very bullish on FedEx because FedEx moved aggressively into Asia. And Asia, I think, is turning quickly. So that's a better bet.
You know, going into Europe at a time when Europe's weak, it's going to take them years to get out of this problem that they're in. So, I mean, really, was this good timing to, one, pay up and go into a market that really isn't a hot market? I mean, they really should be focused on, as you mentioned, either Asia or the Latin Americas.
I totally agree, and I was very upset when they made this acquisition. And Stephanie, my partner on Action Alerts, and I cooled to UPS and really felt that it was no longer the right horse to be on. I actually am a little incrementally more positive because this was a big distraction. But if you're looking for a freight company, FedEx is the place to be because they spent a fortune on Asia building up that infrastructure. Now it looks like it's going to pay off. I would take any strength in UPS and move into FedEx, even up here.
All right, so that's what Jim's saying is if you are in UPS, take a little bit off the table, put it over into FedEx. He certainly likes FedEx much better.